Hey cooks, we're back with an Easter egg dyeing kit haul. I know what you're thinking. You just bought 7 dozen eggs and you have no idea what to do with them. Well, no worries, I have a solution for that. In this review, we have over half a dozen Easter egg dyeing kits, so we're going to take a look at each one of them. The first kit we have are the color cups. Inside the color cups, we have the egg holder, the dye packs, the wax crayon, and also 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 plastic cups. The next thing we have is Whisker's Egg Dipper. Not too bad if you're looking to not have a mess. It's made out of plastic and it holds up pretty well. All you gotta do is insert the egg inside the plastic whisk, and then you can give it a dunk or two without getting that dye all over your hands. And there you go. Not too bad, and not too much of a mess. The next kit we have is the 24 karat gold egg coloring kit. In this kit, you get the decorating tray, 3 colored dyes, 2 brushes, and don't forget the golden glaze. There you go, not too bad. In our next kit, we have the classic, which comes with the egg dipper, the dye tablets, the egg holders, egg sleeves, and stickers. The next kit we have is the tie-dye kit. In this kit, you get the exclusive tie-dye press, which makes it a tad bit easier. Don't forget you get a cloth, the dye tablets, and the tiny plastic dropper. You take your plastic press, put your egg in it, close it up, and drop your dye in the little holes in different locations. Not too bad. The next kit we have is the glitter kit. It comes with 6 plastic pouches, adhesive shapes, a glitter pouch, egg dipper, a glue pen, and the dye tablets. These pouches kind of remind me like a shake and bake technique. We'll call it a egg shake. There you go. And for our next one, we have the neon kit. The neon kit comes with a egg dipper, egg wraparounds, stickers, the magic crayon, neon dye tablets, a glitter pouch, and a glue pen. Not too bad. The next kit we have is the Deluxe kit. In this kit, we have stickers, some nice egg holders, egg wraparounds, dye tablets, a magic crayon, and don't forget the egg dipper. The last kit we have is 8-in-1, loaded with egg coloring fun. In this kit, it comes with 5 bonus coloring cups. You get a pink, blue, green, yellow, and purple cup. It also comes with egg holders, sponges, stickers, the magic crayon, more stickers, cardboard for texturing, a brush, not too bad, pair of tweezers, of course, dye tablets, rubber bands, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 liquid dye packs, and a paint tray. And we can't forget these cool looking egg dippers. These ones, you just bend over and put your egg on it, and then you can just easily dump it into your cup. Now these are the egg holders. Not every pack comes with them, but on most packs, on the side of the box, if you look right here, you can see that you can cut out your own egg holders on the side. And on most of your kits, if you flip them over, you can punch out some cardboard holes that will hold your eggs for you. And might I suggest, if you're going to keep those eggs, keep the egg cartons, so you can put them back in the fridge, and everything can be kept nice and neat. One more pro tip for you. If you don't have enough cups or your kit did not come with a cup, you can use an old coffee mug. Not too bad. Works like a charm. And thank you for watching. I'll leave an affiliate link below in case you're interested in anything I reviewed today. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and tell your friends. And stay tuned for another episode of Hey Cooks!